Hello and welcome to this Academy series on the Coralogix Kubernetes Operator. One of Kubernetes' biggest strengths is its flexibility. It's built to be configured and extended, and operators are a powerful way to extend your Kubernetes environment. They're custom-built software extensions that use custom resources to manage applications and their lifecycle, and they follow the Kubernetes core philosophy, especially the control loop, which is all about observing state and making adjustments automatically. The Coralogix Kubernetes Operator is one such powerful way to extend and manage your Coralogix resources natively within your Kubernetes environment. And it brings automation and event control to the way you manage observability. When custom resources are introduced, they enable the declarative definition of Coralogix resources, such as alerts, mirroring the approach used for defining deployments and services in Kubernetes. A built-in controller operates in the background, monitoring resource changes, and employs a reconcile loop to ensure the actual state in your Coralogix account aligns with your cluster's defined state. This loop is activated by events such as new resources creation and by consistent sync intervals. Instead of manual configuration and redeployments, you simply describe your state in a YAML file, and the Coralogix Kubernetes Operator handles the rest. The best part is getting started is really straightforward, and in the next video I will show you how to install the Coralogix Kubernetes Operator using Helm, and in the following videos we will create some Coralogix resources. See you in the next video.